the things that I'm doing together with my mother when I'm in the Philippines. Here, I'm cooking food for her as it is time for lunch. So I'm cooking nutritious food for her. This is a fish menu.
Yan, ang aking kinamatisan na isdang, ano ba yan, hasa-hasa. Sabi ng ate, at nag-fried chicken. Kanin, yan lang. Kasi si Lola lang naman at ako. Ayan. Kain, Nay. Ito ng ate ko. Yan.
Since my mother is 82 years old already, she needs someone to assist her already in all the things that she's doing at home. And of course, because she's alone already, all the children,
prepare na kasi
the daughters are the one taking care of her when she is with my sister. And of course, when I come back to the Philippines, I'm the one that looking after her needs or taking care and assisting her.
Yan. Etong kwarto ng ate ko. Dito kami natutulog. Sumasama kami dito ng mother ko. Dami niyang abubot din. Natay ko na. Ayan. Dito baba. Ang aking naman paliguan. Kunyari.
This is the street that we are staying in Manila. We are near in SM San Lazaro. It's behind only, and this is our neighborhood here. You can see in the streets, and the neighbors are having their lots of Christmas decorations, as this is Christmas season. The streets from the other side or the other corner up to the end corner are all having their decorations. And this is in the front of our house, the Winford Hotel or the Resort and Casino, and also the Avida condominium. So we are near in this area.
This is Quezon Bridge, which is combined arc and pre-stressed concrete girder bridge crossing the Pasig River between Quezon Boulevard in Quiapo and Padre Burgos Avenue in Ermita, Manila, Philippines. This is the road that we are passing going to our province, Batangas. Going to Lubo, Batangas. Hello! We are here in Lobo, Batangas already. We just arrived here in my place, in my family's home. And now we are resting as we are so tired in our travel. No sleep at all, you see. My one so big Lola also. So now we will rest. We sleep for a while. Thanks God we are here already in our place, here in Lobo, Batangas. That's why say hi Lola to Lobo. Lobo, Batangas. Si Lola. Ito ang kwarto ni Lola. Makikikwarto na rin ako.
Sa muna sa gate yung aircon dun na. Mamaya ako papatay para malamig.
Mag-aircon ka, dala-dalawang
Hindi.
aircon.
Para lumamig lang init, napakainit.
Ah.
Amoy alumium.
Tingnan mo, naka-video, naka-video ka.
Asin yung kay Melvin nakasabit na plastic na may dabit daw
Saan mo?
niya. Sa may pinto.
Ay, yung pinto, hilahin ko lang. At
Oh,
dito lang
ako hindi nalalabas,
Oo.
hilahin mo.
At saka dito lang mo sa ito, hilahin ko lang muna at ang susi.
Pati ate ko.